It's not fancy.
No, but it's cool. What up guys, Luke here from CrawlerCast, and we are in Blum, Texas. Can you believe it? We came 6 hours to Texas for a rig killer comp. Awesome location, the rocks are so super grippy. Should be a good day.
steering, that thing would have pulled right up.
That was the line I was thinking was there.
It would have pulled right up. Like,
I don't know if I can pull it up.
He's got his.
All right, guys, so I just finished my run. 50 gates in 50 minutes. You want to talk about crazy? This was crazy. They don't call it rig killer for nothing. Some of these gates were insane. Such a good time. Thankful for my NSDRC winch. Came in clutch today. Boy, I needed that. But we're gonna see how we finish.